If you understand this text, your English level is B2. Did you know that former U.S. President Barack Obama once tried a Vietnamese dish called bun cha? He had it in Hanoi in 2016 with the famous chef Anthony Bourdain. This dish is very popular in Vietnam, especially in Hanoi, where it originally comes from. Bun cha has been around for a long time, probably since the early 1900s. In the beginning, people sold it on the street, using small charcoal grills to cook the meat. Today, you can find it in many restaurants across Hanoi. The dish has three main parts: grilled pork, some pieces are small meatballs, others are thin slices, white rice noodles called bun, and a dipping sauce that is sweet, sour, salty, and slightly spicy. It's also served with fresh herbs like mint, lettuce, and perilla. Some people enjoy it with pickled vegetables such as carrot and green papaya. To eat bun cha, you take some noodles, meat, and herbs, then dip them into the sauce. Each bite gives you a mix of different flavors and textures. The pork is hot and smoky from the grill, soft, juicy, and a little sweet. The noodles are cool and tender, while the herbs are fresh and give the dish a light feeling. The sauce adds a warm, rich flavor, sweet, salty, sour, and mildly spicy. Many people love bun cha because it's delicious, fresh, and affordable. It's a great choice for lunch and is enjoyed by both locals and tourists. So, if you ever travel to Vietnam, make sure to try bun cha. Maybe even at the same spot where Obama did.